Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. The core of what TAT really does for you. This is one of my favorite things to tell you. TAT helps you de-identify from what you are not and allows you to be manifesting, in touch with who and what you really are. It allows you to be present as who and what you really are. What happens for us is that we go through life and we get identified with moments, usually moments where we're stressed and we get stuck, or our parents' moments or our ancestors' moments that we're still receiving information from, or cultural information telling us who we are. And due to all of that, we feel limited. We feel small. We feel negative toward ourselves, other people, life, the divine. Our hearts feel clouded and withdrawn. So what happens with TAT, wonderfully, is that we're no longer identified with any of those moments. So the negative emotions, the isolation, the stress, the effects on our physiology, the holding down of ourselves through all of this identification with what we've heard, felt, seen, experienced, dissolves, and we instantaneously and we spontaneously become centered within ourselves. It naturally gives birth to the compassion in our hearts for ourselves and for each other. It naturally gives us the ability to express more love, more energy, more of who we are in every aspect of our lives. That is the beauty of it. That's the core of what happens with TAT. And it happens in a way that's entirely effortless. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and looking forward to seeing you next time.